So I'm a pizza girl. Yeah. Ooh. Add some more sauce in there. Hey! Not really. Yeah. Mom, why is it?
I know. Let's make a scary face. Let's make a scary face.
So guys, because I'm gonna do my pizza.
You want some ingredients now?
Yeah.
So what do you got?
So I got these.
What they call? Pita bread.
Pizza bread.
Pita bread.
Pizza bread.
You want some cheese? Grated cheese? Yeah. And you like just tomato puree.
Oh, that's so good.
And what's missing?
So,
Yes. I think we should
I'm
start.
not using some ham.
It's for you. You don't like ham.
No.
Okay. Do you want to chop some ham first?
I can make it for my family. It is for smells really good. I am gonna put it on mine. But I know it's using for mine still. Cut two. So we've done 2 pieces.
have some more ham for myself.
Yeah.
Oh, thanks. Okay. Shake. Okay. I will open the oven and I will put it in for you, okay? It's dangerous.
Yeah, very dangerous.
Oh. And then we wait.
Wow, look at this, guys. I'm so hungry now. Look at all this cheese. No, it's all mine.
No, it isn't.
It is.
Is it ready?
Yeah.
Yay, it's all mine.
Okay, let's
Yay.
Okay.
Ooh, look at that. Like a jelly bar.
Mmm.
Okay.
I want it.
Oh, let's put on the plates.
I want it now.
You want to shout? That one's
Wow,
Daddy's.
look at
That
this.
one's Daddy's.
No, they all mine.
No, they're not.
They all mine.
No, they're not.
Okay, which one? Oh, that's that one. But what's of ham is yours?
Yeah, Daddy's.
Wow, bigger plate. This will be mine. I like crunchy bird cheese and Dorians. Let's sit down and eat.
Yay! Where is mine? Where is mine?
There you go,
Which
lovey.
one is yours, Roniczko?
Thank you.
I think that one was yours. There's a happy face.
There is a happy face with the eyes of ham. I need to get my chair.
Ooh. Get it back, it's mine.
Mine. That was yours.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Here you go. Here we go.
Cheers! Oh, thank you, Veronica. This looks so lovely.
It's hot.
It's hot. Is it hot? This is amazing. I love it.
I know.
Good. So what are you cooking tomorrow?
Pizza.
Again?
Yes. So I'm a pizza girl. Yeah. Ooh. I was.
Daddy, have a bite. Have a bite. Wow. Oh, I love it. Fun and roll. Fun and roll.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Please subscribe.